Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the time zone on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the settings section and click on it. Tap on general, first option, and then click on time zone. Here you can scroll down till you find your time zone that you use. Or you can also type in the one that you are looking for. So if you have found this, just simply tap on the relevant one, thereby updating the time zone that you use on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.